Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the second question in exercise 11.1. Find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeters. So first let's draw a circle for our reference. A quadrant is going to be 1/4 or 1/4 of a circle. So first they're asking what is the area of the quadrant of the circle, which means this is the area they are looking out for. So, and they have given that the circumference of the circle is 22 centimeters. Let's translate the data that's given to us. So, circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, which is equal to 22 centimeter. Now, they're asking you what is the area of this particular quadrant. So, a quadrant means the angle this is going to be equal to 90 degree. So, we know the formula. So, area, I can look at this particular quadrant as a sector. So, area of sector is going to be equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. In this case, theta is going to be equal to 90. So, we need the value of r before we move to that state. So, let's get r from this particular formula. So, 2 pi r means 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 22. I can strike out this on both sides. So, 2r by 7 is equal to 1. So, r is equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. Now that we know that, we will be able to calculate the area of sector. So, substitute 90 by 360 into 22 by 7. 1r is 7 by 2. So, 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Let's strike out. This is 1 and this is 4 times. One of the 7 vanishes. 2 will be 1 times. This will be 11 times. So, the answer will be 77 divided by 8 centimeters square. Now I can approximate this as 9.625 centimeters square. Both are the same answers. One is in the fraction style, the other is in the decimal style. In the next video, we will find the solution for the third question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.